So with your scallops, dry them really, really well. And what you're going to do is look at every one of them and take off this little muscle on the side. That is the muscle that attaches your scallop to its shell. It should just peel off with your fingers, says she. When you cook it, it goes gray and tough. So there it is again, just to show you. It just peels off. Your scallops might not all have this muscle on. Sometimes it comes off when they shuck them. These big guys, they all have them. That scallop is pink. It's beautiful. Sometimes it's almost the same color as the scallop and a little hard to see when it's raw.